we review gear that we already own. Okay, maybe it's not really a review because we've already reviewed all this stuff, but you know what? I don't take a lot of days off, and today Raymond and I decided to come out, ride our mountain bikes in this beautiful snowy weather, and bring some stuff that we own that we don't get to use a whole lot because I do so many reviews. Speaking of gear that you own, in my new landscape photography course, I teach you how to use the gear that you have to get the landscape images that you want. This long-form course is in development now. The first several modules, totaling an hour and a half, are now live, and more modules are coming soon. Members see all of my courses and a lot more. You can learn more about channel membership in the description of this video. We brought my DJI Mavic 2 Pro drone. I haven't flown that in so long, and it has been such a joy to get it back out. I'm using the Sony ZV-1 right now. Raymond is using his Fujifilm X100V, anyway, and then we both have our phones as well, so I've done a little bit of Instagram storying. If you don't follow me on Instagram, why not? I make stories and stuff out here. We are gonna share some photos with you and some video and all that good stuff from today's quasi day off. Sometimes the gear that you have is the best gear. So I will put links below to the things that we used today, including the heated gloves that Raymond got for he and I for Christmas. I love them so much. Just kidding, we've decided to come out again. We had such a good time the other day shooting our own gear that Raymond and I came out again today for a hike with only gear that we own. But we brought different gear this time, with the exception of this ZV-1. Raymond, what do you got?
I have the Leica Q2 and the Mavic Pro. First one.
The original. SL2 and the Leica 24 to 90 millimeter f2.8 to f4 lens, as well as I decided to bring our most recent purchase, the L mount Panasonic 70 to 200 f4. We got this one from KEH. I'll put links to KEH, my affiliate links, down below as well, because you can get discounts with my links. So we hiked out in the snow to this wonderful little snowy spot in the mountains, and taking some pictures. Raymond's already flown his drone. Oh, he used the Insta360 1R on it, except not with the 1R Leica module. He used it with the 360 module, so he has he has that hanging from his drone currently, so he flew that around. And I'm waiting for maybe some wildlife or something to show up. I don't know, but it's a beautiful day, so I'm just hanging out. Uh-oh, Raymond's on the ice. Anyway, everybody, enjoy our relaxed, having just a good time photography, and I'll talk to you soon.